Back on Bungamat Island, two friends ponder a conundrum. There are only 2 trees close enough to the partly submerged platform. And it's at least 16 feet to get to those trees. But adolescent orangutan arms can only reach around 8 feet. Uji seems to be waiting for Ayu to make the first move. She's off. She's identified this flexible sapling as one that can be used for the special tree swaying move, a unique orangutan technique, but also an extremely dangerous one. A 90-pound-plus orangutan could easily snap a weak branch. So Ayu's timing and her understanding of forest physics must be spot on. Success. She considers her next move. Like humans, orangutans can work out a strategy to solve a problem. Could Uji be taking notes? Ayu must traverse one last treetop. If she falls from 100 feet up, it could be fatal. She's reached the target tree. Now Uji stirs into action. Ayu has avoided the deep water and dangerous current to find a way to reach the platform. She's earned her meal today, but also helped her longtime friend. Uji follows Ayu's trail exactly as he memorized it. Ayu showed impressive intelligence to get to this food. But Uji is also just as smart. He relied on Ayu to take all the risks. Yet he achieved the same sweet reward. Together, the sky is the limit. In the forest surrounding the baby house, some of the orphans have taken flight. They're supposed to be down at the rubber tree, learning how to access the sticky sap snack. Netta hasn't been at jungle school long, but she's already learning to trust her teachers, one delicious lesson at a time. Close by, Weene, who was shy and lacking in confidence, has progressed to playing hooky. This is an orangutan on a mission. a very unusual one. Every day, a troop of macaque monkeys follows the nursery groups into the forest, usually to pirate the orphans' leftovers. Macaques are naturally social and smart. And this little guy, probably around the same age as Weene, is as interested in her as she is in him. For now, he's playing it cool. With the school day done, the babies, including class truant Weene, head home. And look who's following her. In the morning, school can't start soon enough for the students. For Valentino and Uterus, getting to class is a chance to re-solidify their bromance. In the past, they've cuddle walked. And cuddle rolled. Today, it's the cuddle conga. These besties can always lean on each other, at least until Val gets too heavy. At forest school, everyone seems a bit lackadaisical today. So babysitter Trisnanti decides her students need some motivation. First, she encourages them into the tree with a seemingly ordinary fruit kebab. Now comes the extra credit challenge. Orangutans are the largest arboreal animal in the world and must be proficient at foraging high in the forest canopy in all sorts of positions. Four-year-old Vino has a devious strategy. He lets little Uterus do all the work. But poor Uterus has had enough today. Vino's just plain greedy. So Valentino grabs back. No one bullies his bestie.
Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.